Hi guys, got myself a PlayStation Dualsense wireless controller for PS5, PlayStation 5, and this is the black version, and this is a China version if not mistaken, and they did not say which country it's from, but they say it's Asia version. But when you look at this is made in China. But what is not made in China, right? Oops, there you go. It's a manual here. It's in Japanese, so I assume this is the Japanese version. It's brand new and it does seem sturdy. I don't think it's a counterfeit or it's a fake one. Everything is in matte here as well, and looks fine. The buttons are all nice and feedback is good. This is where you charge on the docking station, and there's a USB-C here. It comes with 1500 milliamp of battery. When I charge it using a USB-C cable, look at that, it glows in orange. So guys, let's check out the number of buttons which is available in this controller. You have left, up, right, down, and I think this is also almost doing the same thing. But sometimes, depending on the games, you will get to see different users. Yeah, it might use these buttons to do something else instead of moving the character. And over here, you get to see there's another button here. You want to start your PlayStation, you always click here. All right, and this is where you have your microphone on and off. And over here, this is another place. I think this is what you call the right button as well. This is the left, L3. When you click on it, it's L3. This is R3. This is right, and this is left. Okay, L3, R3. Okay, and this is where you can move. Usually this is used for camera, and this is usually to move the character. And this is another place where you can have a button. This is another button for menu, and usually we'll use this when you are halfway in the game and you want to save your game, or you want to see what else, the map, your inventory and not. Also of it from here. And there are some times you need to use this trackpad. This is also a trackpad, just like a mouse pad, yeah. And also when you click on it, it's another button. And when you look at this 4-piece, of course, this is the most iconic 4 buttons: square, triangle, a circle, and an X, yeah. And most of the if you're playing some fighting games, it's always using these few buttons. Yep. This is L2. All right, this is L1, left 2, left 1, and right 2 and right 1. So let's do a count on how many buttons do you have in this controller. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. That's total of 19 buttons, guys, in this. Let's check out this. Now let's do a comparison between these two. I bought a Malaysia unit, yeah, direct from Sony Malaysia. The console itself comes with a remote controller, so this is definitely a Malaysia unit. Comes with 15 months of warranty, and this is only 1 year. This is from the seller's warranty, right? You can't go back to Sony to claim any warranty if something happens to this. You can go back to the seller only. And this one, you can always go back to Sony Malaysia direct. They actually feels the same. Yeah. And I only see there's a lack of you know, maybe the quality control. When it comes here, you see that there's some you see that when they drill the hole, I think it's somehow, you know, not very well made here. But this is also black. You don't get to see that there. I have no idea. Maybe it's a rejected product. I have no idea. But all the buttons work. But if you look at this, this is almost perfect. Yeah, there's nothing to complain about at all. And if you look at this, this is CFI ZCT1G. This is CFI ZCT1U. Oh, so this is a little different, yeah. Maybe it's because of its China version or Japan version, or even the prints are different. Yeah, you look at this, the print somehow is wider and taller. Oh, and you can see there's a MCMC sign as well. I think this is the one that you can differentiate, yeah. With a MCMC sign here, this is definitely a Malaysia one, because MCMC is one of the bodies in Malaysia, government bodies in Malaysia that will need to check on all their medias and so on. So so this is somehow certified, yeah, by MCMC Malaysia. Alright, so if you want to see whether this is a Malaysia version or not, the easiest way is to see this, yeah, MCMC, and this is the Japan version. Right, now is why I buy a black one instead of the white one. I could have just simply get other colors or just the white one to match back, but I think black won't get dirty easily. Yes, so I would prefer to use this, and if it's dirty, then you won't really notice. Yeah, but the white one definitely looks more classic and looks a little too conventional. I think everybody is having one of these. Yeah, so I don't want to add another same color, and it's easily to differentiate which controller I use most of the time. I will use this, and then my another partner will use this instead. So of course I also use them, both of them. Yeah, sometimes when this is out of battery, I will use this, depending. So I think we can see the difference between these two, and I've done an unboxing on this. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for looking at this video, and I do hope that you like this. Have a good day. Bye.